Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best digital multimeters you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best digital multimeters in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is AstroAI Digital Multimeter. The multimeter operates at a sampling speed of 2 times per second and features a backlight LC display with 3 digits 1999 count 0. 6, offering both negative and positive polarity readings. It accurately measures AC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode. This versatile tool is ideal for addressing electrical issues in both industrial and household settings, such as household outlets, fuses, batteries including vehicles, automotive circuit troubleshooting, charging system, and testing electronics in cars, with a double ceramic fuse to prevent burning and overloading, as well as a silicone cover for protection against damage and electric shocks. The multimeter also includes features like data hold, low battery indicator, continuity buzzer, and an LCD backlit screen for easy use in low light conditions. A battery set of test leads user manual is included with the device. Perfect for safely troubleshooting automotive and household electrical problems with precision, whether you're a dyer or hobbyist looking to make improvements at home or in a commercial setting, that this meter cannot test a current. For details, let's watch more. Our second best digital multimeters is KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter. This versatile multimeter from KAIWEETS is equipped to test a wide range of electrical parameters, including AC and DC voltage, DC current not suitable for a current, resistance, continuity, and diode measurement. Backed by lifetime after-sales service and technical support, this digital multimeter is designed to prioritize safety and accuracy. It is ideal for electricians, household use, automotive diagnostics, and industrial electrical troubleshooting. Included with the multimeter are 2 AIA batteries pre-installed, a carrying case, and 2 quality cable leads. It is essential to ensure that the rotary switch is set to the correct test range for accurate readings. The data hold function and backlight feature assist in clear and quick testing, even in low light conditions. The large backlit leak display ensures easy readability of measurements in poorly lit areas. A low battery warning indicator prompts timely battery replacement to prevent power loss during testing. The multimeter's anti-burn design, dual fuse system, and overload protection guarantee safety, security, and reliability during use. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Klein Tools MM325 Digital Multimeter. The Klein Tools MM325 Multimeter is a versatile device that can measure AC and DC voltage, DC current, and resistance. In addition, it is capable of testing batteries, diodes, and continuity. This multimeter was meticulously designed by electricians for electricians as part of the Klein Tools test and measurement product line. Drawing on years of field research and input from electricians nationwide, the meters and electrical testers in this line are equipped with innovative features that save time. With a legacy spanning over 160 years, Klein Tools has been producing top-quality hand tools for professionals that offer exceptional performance, durability, and precision. Our team of engineers, workers, and craftsmen spanning 6 generations pour their expertise into each tool by using premium materials and superior craftsmanship while keeping manufacturing as local as possible. As a family-owned American company bearing our family name, Klein, we are committed to being here for our customers now and in the future. Our products are not just reliable, they are built to withstand the rigorous demands faced by professionals every day. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is INNOVA Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter. The INNOVA 3320 is a versatile auto-ranging multimeter that simplifies the process of troubleshooting automotive and household electrical issues. With its auto-ranging scales, there's no need to manually adjust the range for electronic measurements. It features a 10 meg-ohm input that is safe for a wide range of applications, including household outlets, fuses, wiring, batteries, and automotive circuits. The color-coded LEDs provide quick battery status checks: green for good, yellow for weak, red for replace. This multimeter comes with test leads, holders, and a stand for hands. Free operation, as well as protective rubber corner guards for added durability. The single-setting resistance function works seamlessly with both AC and DC voltage. The back compartment lid is easily removable with just one crosshead screw, and it also includes test leads and banana plug to alligator clip cable. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best digital multimeters list is Klein Tools MM320KIT Digital Multimeter. The MM320KIT from Klein Tools is a reliable and safe digital multimeter electrical test kit. It includes the M320 Digital Multimeter NCF3 non-contact voltage tester with flashlight at 45 voltage tester, RT210 GFC receptacle tester, a padded storage pouch, and all necessary batteries. This all-in-one kit offers great value and convenience. Klein Tools has been producing high-quality hand tools for over 160 years. The digital multimeter in the kit can accurately measure up to 600 of AC/DC voltage, 10 amp DC current, and 2 ohm resistance for precise readings in electrical tasks. It also tests batteries, diodes, and continuity for comprehensive testing capabilities in one device.